Let's put the table first. The project name Dharshala.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Zakir Hussain Khan and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to create a progress bar chart in Microsoft Excel just like this, watch this video till the end. Without further ado, let's get started.
Let's create the table first. The first column would be project name, the second column would be progress status, and the third column would be absolute. Now make some adjustment and put the project name as project 1 and project 2. After that, in the progress status, we will put rand function to randomly generate value from 0 to 1, and we will copy the formula to the below cell and we will put 1 and 1 at the absolute. Now select the whole table and put a border around it. Now Ctrl B to make the header bold. Now select the values and click on the percentage icon to make it as a percentage. Now select the data, go to insert, click on the icon of the bar chart and insert a bar table. Now make some adjustment and click on the switch row and column. Now remove the vertical lines, remove the legend. Now select the x-axis and Ctrl 1, put the minimum as 0 and maximum as 1. Now remove the chart title. Now if you click F9, you can see the data is changing. Now go to insert tab, click on the shapes and pick rectangular shape and draw a rectangular shape. Now go to shape format, shape outline, no outline, shape fill would be dark blue color. Now Ctrl C and Ctrl V to make a copy and place them side by side. Now select both of them, go to shape format, align them to top and make the second shape smaller. Select both of them and create a copy of these two shapes. So we have two pair of these shapes. Now go to fill color and make white the smaller shape, and for the second pair go to fill color and click on the light blue color, and for the smaller one use white fill color. Now group them together. Do this for the first pair also. Now we will add a dark background to see the shapes properly. Now select the light shapes, Ctrl C and double click on the first bar and Ctrl V. Now Ctrl 1, go to fill color and click on the picture or texture field, stack and scale width would be 0.05. Now select the dark blue color shape and double click on the second bar. Now Ctrl V and Ctrl 1 and do the same for this one also, would be 0.05. Now we will change the fill color of the shapes. For the first one we will choose the fill color as orange, and for the second one we will choose the fill color as light orange. Now select the light orange shape color and double click on the third bar and Ctrl V and Ctrl 1 and do the same for this one also, 0.05. Now we will select the orange shape, Ctrl C, double click on the fourth bar and Ctrl V, and if you press Ctrl 1 you have to do the same change over here also. Stack and scale width would be 0.05. Now we will remove this dark background and we will remove the icons from here, the shapes from here. And now click on the visual and click on the data label, click on the progress status and both will be selected, and we will delete this. Now select this one and press Ctrl 1 and click select from cells and we will select progress status from here. We will uncheck the values so progress status will be visible. Now we will make some room for the data label to show. Now we will double click on the first value and go to font color, and font color would be, we will change the font color accordingly. Now select the second bar and fourth bar will automatically be selected, and series overlap would be 100%. Now select the visual, right click, select data and move the series 1 to below. Then you can see your progress bar. Go to shape format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline would be no outline, and here your progress bar is ready to view.
I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more content like this, follow, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.